In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory in QuickBooks Online efficiently and accurately, whether you're dealing with discrepancies in your stock levels or updating quantities after a recent audit. Managing inventory adjustments is crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring the smooth operation of your business. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening QuickBooks Online and navigating to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the New button. Clicking on this is essentially your gateway to creating new transactions and entries within QuickBooks. It's a handy tool that you'll use often, so getting familiar with its location and function will speed up your workflow significantly. Once you've clicked New, you will see a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to different types of entries. From here, you'll want to select the Inventory Quantity Adjustment option. This is specifically designed to make any necessary changes to your inventory levels, reflecting the actual counts you have on hand. Selecting this option will bring up a new window or screen where you'll input all the details related to the adjustment. At this point, it's important to have all the necessary information at your fingertips, such as the items you need to adjust, the new quantity, and any reasoning or notes as to why this adjustment is being made. Inputting accurate and thorough details not only ensures that your records are correct, but also aids in future audits or reviews by providing context for the changes. After you've filled in all the required fields, take a moment to review the information for accuracy. This double check can prevent errors that might cause confusion down the line. When you're satisfied everything is correct, you'll want to finalize the process by clicking Save and Close. This action will officially record your inventory quantity adjustment in QuickBooks Online. It's a simple step, but crucial, as it locks in the changes you've made and updates your inventory records. One of the great conveniences of using QuickBooks Online is that once you've saved this adjustment, it automatically updates your inventory count in the Products and Services section. This automatic update helps you maintain a real-time view of your inventory levels without needing to manually adjust them elsewhere, which can save you invaluable time and prevent potential discrepancies. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully adjusted your inventory in QuickBooks Online, ensuring that your records accurately reflect your current stock levels. These accurate records are essential for not only managing your business operations effectively, but also for financial reporting and strategic planning. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has helped simplify the process for you. Keep these steps in mind the next time you need to adjust your inventory, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with maintaining precise and current records.